Big list, big volume, empty pipeline. LinkedIn filters have a huge blind spot. You search for a B2B head of sales and LinkedIn gives you a retail manager just because the keywords match somewhere on their profile page. So you invite them and they ignore you and you just wasted your connection limits. To get high conversion rates, you need to filter for context, not just keywords. So meet AI ICP Detection and you filter inside your linked helper campaigns. Before sending a single invite, the AI reads the prospect's full information, full profile, or just specified fields like their summary, job experience, and their company description, and it scores how well they match your ideal customer profile. Good fits move forward into your outreach sequences, and bad fits get skipped automatically. It's incredibly simple. Just describe your ideal lead in plain English, set your minimum threshold, and select data enrichment method. Linked Helper's database is the safest. And watch as AI filters your list in real time. Let me show you how to build this smart lead filter in your workflow. Get started, you can easily upgrade your existing campaign by clicking Add Action and dropping AI ICP Detection right at the top of your workflow. Or if you're starting fresh, simply create a new campaign from a template and check both the AI ICP Detection and AI personalized messages boxes to build a fully smart AI-driven pipeline from scratch. Once added, describe your ideal customer profile. Don't just list job titles, criteria. What kind of experience should they have? What kind of company? What are the deal breakers? Tell the AI what you're looking for, like must have hands-on selling experience or product company, not an agency. But here's what you need to keep in mind. The AI can analyze what people actually share on their LinkedIn pages. For example, don't ask the AI to find someone who owns a car for out-of-town trips, because people rarely share that on LinkedIn. Stick to criteria that can be found on a professional page. Then set your minimum ICP match threshold. Want to reach a broader audience? Set it to open. Want only the absolute perfect leads? Go strict. The AI will assign a score to everyone, and only those who beat your threshold move to the successful list. Now you need to tell the AI which profile data it should check, and this step is especially crucial. The fields you select must match the criteria in your ICP description. You can pick a ready-made preset for sales or recruiters, or customize the fields manually. For instance, if your ICP requires at least 3 years of experience, you must mark the experience field as required. If you leave it disabled, the AI will only see their current job title without the timeline, and it will fail the lead simply because it lacks the data. Or if you need them to work at a specific type of business, make sure company description is enabled, because the company name alone isn't enough. Finally, choose your data source. Since AI's accuracy depends entirely on the data it gets, here's the best practice setup we highly recommend. First, choose our instant data enrichment to pull information from our database without spending your LinkedIn daily limits. Second, set a data freshness date to about 2 or 3 months back. This ensures AI only analyzes recent data, preventing you from qualifying a lead based on a job they left a year ago. And finally, set your fallback plan to visit and extract. This way, if our database doesn't have the fresh information, the tool will automatically scrape the profile live. This combo guarantees the AI gets the information it needs to make an accurate decision. Want to turn this into an evergreen funnel? Just add the auto-collect action at the very top of your workflow. Paste your LinkedIn search URL, and Linked Helper will continuously pull in new profiles, feed them to the AI ICP Detection for qualification, and send messages to relevant leads. And here's a pro tip. Don't rely on just one search. Add 2 or 3 auto-collect actions with different URLs, for example, targeting different cities, and filter your LinkedIn search by second-degree connections. This way, as people accept your invites, they become your first-degree connections, making room for fresh prospects to appear in your search. Turn broad LinkedIn searches into laser-focused outreach. Upgrade your lead generation today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.